Good afternoon. Ham radio 3.0 2E1CQ. The front photo you can actually see the Big Kansas Coil. Finally arrived in the U.K. Can't believe it myself. A little bit of a delay in customs, but that's for another video. What do you get in the box? This is the unboxing video. So let's go to the screen. That's the Big Kansas Coil. 6 inches tall. If I can roughly measure it. Not too sure what the width is. Doesn't really matter for the moment. PL259 connection. Underneath is the 2433 fitting, which is for a base for the tripod. At the top is for the connection for the 3/8 24 size whip antenna. Disappointing it doesn't actually come with a whip antenna. I'm not too sure whether that's a disadvantage or an advantage. It may be a disadvantage as regards to the cost, because basically anybody buying it from new who hasn't actually got a whip antenna would have to obviously purchase that one separately. It would be nice if it was actually something would actually be in the pack. Anyway, let's carry on. That's the base connection. 3 holes there. 1, 2, 3 for the tripod. Steel tubing. Let's put that there. You might not see all of it in the video because obviously it's all wrapped up. Nice, neat and tidy plastic fitting there. All slots in with a strap. You might be able to carry this in a nice box or carrying bag. It's not that heavy. I think the actual height of the tripod will probably be around about 480mm, 500mm. Give a rough guess once everything's actually set up. Put that over there. You get 3 sets of guide wires. Guide wires, I keep saying it, I've done 3 videos just to remove the word guide wires, and I've done it again. They radials. I can't keep recording this, it's crazy. Anyway, let's move on. For the radios, you get 3 of these, 33 foot long, each of them. Fitting down on here for that. And that's what you get in the kit form. You can buy this on its own without the tripod and the radials, but I decided to get the whole pack. I do have, I believe, the right fitting there, because I do have a ground mounting spike plate for another antenna, so that might be able to go on there in the near future, depending on which one I actually tend to use. Overall condition, quality wise, I think it's actually spot on, to be quite honest with you. It's very nice. It's lightweight, it's not heavy. Big Kansas Coil name at the back. I think I've done quite well. Next video, with a bit of luck, if the weather holds, will be a tuning video. See what it sounds like on the air. Ham radio 3.0. Please like and subscribe my YouTube videos. From 2E1CQ. 73s.